Now, when I seen this car, I was like, oh my God, I love this car. It's an old car. We followed the guy and we stopped and asked him, can we look at it? And he was so nice. Y'all hear that motor? Y'all check this car out. It is nice. What year is it?
This is a 61.
A 61? This thing clean too.
What's that? We got a 383 stroker.
A 383 stroker. I know one. 383 stroker? Oh, it is clean too.
Yeah,
y'all, this is nice.
Paint job. That guy's, you know, you got him wait in line.
Yeah.
But so he's gonna redo the floors in it, paint all that.
It's clean. When we seen it.
Basically got a 350
Right. It's a free. Actually, this time I bought
He said it's finna get a paint job. But it's clean, y'all. Just it's nice.
6-7 grand.
I paid $5,800 for it.
$5,800 for it?
I give you a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. I couldn't build that shit.
No, you got me to ship it. Yep.
Because it's all brand new. It's garage and
everything. Yep.
Everything. Block, heads.
Intake too.
Yeah, intake.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like it. I love it.
Gas cover.
Yeah. Those plug and play.
That's about how much the car is. Got 2 of them just plug and play. That's it. That number's car.
And I ain't had an issue with it, man.
Right.
I probably got 4,000 miles on it. Like I was driving down here to get some peanuts.
Yeah.
But that girl's on vacation, so I got a good guy now. And I get with her mom.
It's nice.
It's a guy right down here.
So you only drive it on the weekends?
Yeah, we got 3 parts out up out there. Right there, soon cross over the bridge, right where the picnic weekend at.
Right.
Yeah, right there where the liquor store at. That guy got 3 pots out up there.
Oh, okay. How about
that? 3 big old humongous pots out there.
Alright, I gotta check that out.
Yep.
It's nice. It is.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this.
But thank you so much for being
I thought I would